Hello everyone, welcome to the HardReset channel, and today I'm going to show you how to reset the XIAOMI Smart Camera C201. So if you want to fully reset the camera so it resets to factory settings and disconnect it from your device, here's how you do it. And the first thing that we're going to do is turn our camera around and locate the little button that's above the charging port right here, so this one. And then we're going to hold it to for 7 seconds until the camera resets and gives us a little notification. So we're going to start holding it. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.
Reset complete. 重置成功. Device booting. Please wait. 正在启动.
So here as you can see, it said that the device has been reset, and now it should be reset fully. So the next step that we're going to do is open up our XIAOMI Home app, and then we're going to go to XIAOMI Home, locate our connected device, hold on it like this, tap on the 3 dots on the bottom right, and tap on delete device. Then press OK, and the device is going to be removed. So if you want to add it again,
please use the mobile phone scan the QR code on the board labeled and the configuration
let's let the device finish speaking.
So
this is pretty much how the process goes, and if you want to connect your device again, just go through the setup process.
Waiting for connection.
And that is pretty much it. So thank you for watching. I hope this video helps you, and make sure to like and subscribe.